Hello, the Hoover Dam is one of the world's renowned structures. If you're new here, my channel is about product development within electronic, mechanical, and computer space, encouraging inexperienced tech users and makers to complete projects independently. If you have been enjoying or this is your first time here, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button for a continuous reminder of an upload. The Hoover Dam is a National Historic Landmark and has been rated by the American Society of Civil Engineers as one of America's 7 modern civil engineering wonders. During this video, you will get the opportunity to see my vlog of the Hoover Dam, from my journey from the bridge, inside the facility, travel between 2 time zones, and parts of the nearby lake. The Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge connects Arizona to Nevada over the Colorado River. It is one of the tallest bridges in the United States. The bridge is free and easy to access, offering a bird's eye perspective of the Hoover Dam. Inside the Hoover Dam, I was able to see the water flows through different tunnels as well as the turbines. The water reaches the turbines through 4 penstocks. There are 2 on each side of the river. Water flows through large pipes inside the dam and turns a large wheel called the turbine. The turbine turns a shaft which rotates a series of magnets past copper coils and a generator to produce electricity. This converts the energy of falling water into mechanical energy to drive the generator. There are 17 generators. When operating at full power, the 17 generators can supply all the electricity needed by a city of 750,000 people. More than 8.5 million pounds of dynamite was used to blast the foundation for the dam and 8 miles of tunnels through the canyon walls. Write in the comments if you know how many turbines were running during my visit. The intake towers are 4 reinforced concrete structures located above the dam, 2 on each side of the canyon. Each tower controls 1/4 the supply of water for the power plant turbines. The intake towers are connected to the power plant and outlet valves by penstocks. The upstream intake towers are connected to the inner diversion tunnels by 37-foot diameter incline tunnels. The incline tunnels also connect the downstream towers to penstocks and outlet works. At its base, the Hoover Dam is as thick as 2 football fields measured end to end, about 660 feet. The Colorado River is more than 1,400 miles long and supplies water to Los Angeles, San Diego, and Phoenix. Las Vegas gets almost all its water from Lake Mead. Lake Mead was made by Hoover Dam when it blocked the Colorado River and flooded the Mojave Desert.